Hi guys, now in FastoCloudPro panel we have new function. It's called Changer. In this tab you can have some inputs. After we have everything set up, we start our stream. The idea is this kind of streams you can use if you wanna put advertisement, for example, or you wanna change your video to another one remotely. So you can use this function. We upload our stream in VLC as an example, and we want to change it to another one. We want to switch the video to another one. And we switch it here, change the stream, and wait for 10 or 15 seconds. Let's wait a bit. So as we can see, the video switched to another one. It is preferably the video and audio has the same type. And let's change it back. Here we are, and let's wait. So the video has changed again. And let's stop it. And if we stop it in a panel, it will stop automatically in the player. That's it.